Hey, it's Gina with WTI, and if you're looking for an elegant choice for your next party or gathering, you need to check out these fallen palm leaf plates from KoalaLove. We recently used these at a wedding shower for some friends, and everyone loved how sturdy they were, how well they worked for dinner and dessert, and how beautiful they are. Each plate is very distinct in its own color and pattern. I really appreciated how high up the lip on this goes, so this will keep the liquid from spilling off the plate. Of course, one of the biggest reasons that I love using these is because I can throw them straight into my food disposal bin, and in a few months, they'll be ready to go straight into my garden soil. I got the pack of 100. I got 50 10-inch dinner plates and 50 7-inch plates. And we used the smaller plates for our dessert table. And that made it nice because you could fit multiple desserts on it. My guests and I all thought that these were perfect for the party, and that's our point of view.